Good morning, student. Today to start with our topic, continue with our topic of business environment, that components of business environment, we will discuss about political, fourth point, that is political environment. Now, political environment means what is the scenario of a country, political scenario of a country. So, political environment consists of political conditions such as general stability and peace in the country and attitude of the government toward business. It has great impact on the business community. It may have either positive or negative impact upon business, and businessmen must scan it continually and carefully. Major elements are political stability in the country, peace in the country, attitude of government towards the business, type of government. There is single party or multi-party government is there, like in China it's single party and India it's multi-party. The ideology of various political parties. What is the ideology of the party towards the business community? The impact of political environment. In 1977, when first time non-Congress government came into power, that is Janata Party came into power, they were against multinational and they asked Coca-Cola and IBM to move out of the country. But in 1991, again when Congress government came into power, and our former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh was our finance minister at that time. Liberation, privatization, globalization took place, and multinational companies, they were asked to come to India. Those were open for them. So it was only because of political interest that Hyderabad came into known as Cyberabad. In other words, it came to be recognized as the center of information technology. As a result, many IT companies came to be many IT companies were established in Hyderabad. Now, legal environment. What is the legal scenario of any country? Now, legal environment consists of acts passed by the government, judgment of courts, and decisions taken by various commissions and agencies appointed at center, state, or local level. The arrangement of need to control and regulate the various business activities such as sale, purchase, industrial dispute, etc. Like take an example, last year only polythene was completely banned from our city. Why? Because of local body, they were against the polythene. The business community cannot ignore the legal framework, and it has to be performed transaction within it. It may either positive or negative impact on business, so businessmen must scan it regularly. So those businessmen who scanned the opportunity, they started producing eco-friendly carry bags. So that is legal environment. So we have to go for legal environment also. Like in Dehradun, till early 80s, Dehradun was famous for its limestone and limestone quarries. But because of legal environment, they were asked to leave the place and they were closed. Now the act of legislation passed by the government, the decision taken by various commission agencies, the judgment of courts. Now, so these are the various legal environment, major elements of legal environment. So we have to look what is the judgment of the court. Like take an example, in maximum states, like take an example of Gujarat, Bihar, where liquor is completely banned, or take an example of Goa, where liquor you can find it at a provision store also. This is